What's up world, Logan here. Today we have something different. A pair of Bluetooth earphones within a smartband. So right out of the box, we can see the main capsule with a display on top. Flipping the display over, there are two slots for the earphones. The capsule fits into a band made of rubber, and the whole device can then fit onto your wrist, although the whole setup is kinda thick. The display of the smartband is bright and will be easy to read in and outdoors. It can be set to turn on with a turn of the wrist. The working of the smartband is straightforward. It shows the time, the step count, distance traveled, the calories burned, the heart rate, and blood pressure. It can also show incoming notifications, such as incoming calls and WhatsApp messages. The app accompanying the band gives you a summary of your biometric information. There is also a dashboard for the sleep monitor. You can find your smartband via the app, and you can set up a shake for selfie function as well. Now to the earphones. The earphones are paired independently to your phone. The earbuds are small, a little too compact for a good fit to be honest. Music from the earbuds is a little thin and sharp. They are loud enough but there isn't much bass. Taking off the earphones does not pause the music, but double tapping on an earbud does. As for media consumption, there isn't any delay when you watch videos. One cool trick you can do with this earphone smartband combo is that when there is an incoming call, you'll be able to notice it on the band and then take out your earbuds to answer the phone. Overall, the concept of the combo is brilliant. Though it is not the best smartband or earbuds out there, it works. So what do you think about the smartband earbuds combo? Comments below. Yoga.